Mr. Jackson, do you have any policy with regard to unsolicited tapes?
Yes.
And would you tell the jury what that policy is and how long you've had that policy?
Well, I don't take any unsolicited tapes because I know the danger involved. I mean, what happens when you do something like that is this situation.
Well, hold on. Just answer my question. What is the policy?
The policy, I do not take unsolicited tapes.
Is
No
that,
way.
Is it personal to you, or does that apply to people and the companies that...
Everybody knows that. That's the number one rule. I don't have to take unsolicited tapes.
How do you get other songs that you don't compose? How would you get a song from someone else that you don't compose?
Well,
Give us some examples.
there are songs that I've done that were very successful that I didn't write. Like the song Thriller, or the song Man in the Mirror.
Well, let's take them one at a time. Let's take
Okay,
Thriller.
Thriller. This is a very famous song from the Thriller album. And this is a composer who is very popular. People know him. He's in the industry. He's a songwriter. He writes for other people. So he's known and he's professional.
Who? Who was it, by the way?
His name is Rod Temperton.
And who recommended, if anyone,
Quincy
Rod Temperton?
Jones.
Quincy Jones did what?
Quincy Jones recommended him.
Okay. What about personal friends of yours?
I like...
Have you ever done any Stevie Wonder songs?
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, definitely. These are the kind of people, if I do a song of someone else's, that'll, you know, give me a tape. They've had a whole track record, a whole history of success to show that they are a real songwriter. Just
Have you
look at
ever
the past.
listened to a song, either on radio, wherever, that you'd never heard before, written by a composer you'd never heard of before, and then in any way use that song?
No,
Never.
never.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Eberhardt.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Jackson.
Good morning.
Has your album entitled Dangerous, which includes the song Dangerous, been sold throughout the United States, to your knowledge?
Yes.
In fact, Mr. Jackson, has it been sold throughout the world?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, who owns MJJ Productions?
I do.
Okay. And who do you work for, Mr. Jackson?
Who do I work for?
Yes.
Well, I work for myself.
Are you under contract with any company?
Yes.
And what's the name of that company?
The company that I'm under contract with, Bars Records, is Sony Music.
Okay. Now, Mr. Jackson, can you read sheet music? If a song is written out into sheet music form, can you read sheet music?
No, I don't. Neither did Lennon and McCartney.
Okay.
It's not
And-
necessary.
Mr. Jackson, can you write sheet music? Can you write out the notes in the form of sheet music?
No, I do not do that. It's not necessary.
Okay. Did you record all of the vocals during the Dangerous, in one recording during the Dangerous session? When
Yeah.
you were recording Dangerous, I'm sorry, let me restate that. When you were recording Dangerous, did you record the vocals only once?
The Dangerous that we just heard, or the one on the Dangerous
During the
album?
recording session for the Dangerous album, did you record the vocals only once?
Just once that I can remember of the demo.
So you recorded the vocals only once.
Yes.
Could you please refer to Defendant's Exhibit A19?
Excuse me.
Mr. Jackson, just to let you know, this is the Ocean Way recording track sheet that your counsel has entered into evidence. If you turn to
No, we
page...
haven't, Your Honor. I don't believe.
A19.
I don't care. I don't think we have.
Well, at any rate, Ms. Eberhardt, It's improper for you to be telling witnesses what it is. If you want to, you can ask him what it is, but don't tell witnesses what anything is.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you want it handed to him as he's got it in front of him?
Do you have it in front of you, Mr.
Yes.
Jackson? Thank
Yes.
you. Do you know what this document purports to be?
Yes.
What is it, Mr. Jackson?
It's a track sheet
From,
for the
no,
song
I'm sorry, Mr. Jackson. Where's the track sheet from?
Ocean Way
Okay.
Recording Studios.
And what's the track sheet for?
Well, it's for the song Dangerous.
Okay. If you turn to page 2 of the exhibit, what is indicated in tracks 1 through 6?
What is indicated?
In tracks 1 through 6, is anything written in those track boxes?
No.
Okay. Are you on page 2?
Well, how are they numbered here? I see 20.
The second page into the exhibit.
Okay, 2. Yes.
Do you see the boxes that have track 1 listed at the track? top,
Yes.
Track 2?
Yes.
What's located in those 6 tracks?
Well, I'm not a technical engineer, but those tracks look like they're open for something that could be used. It happens all the
Okay.
time in the studio.
I'm sorry, we're not on the same page. My second page of exhibit number 2
What is it?
has something written in tracks 1 through 6.
Number 2?
What's
How
at
are
the
they
bottom of your
numbered?
page?
It says,
At the bottom of the page, 21 is written.
okay, 21.
Are you
okay.
on the same page as
Yes.
I am now? Thank
Yes.
you,
That's the
Mr.
third
Jackson.
page of the exhibit.
Yeah, that's a...
Now, tracks 1 through 6, what is written in those boxes?
It says vocal. These are vocal parts.
Are there dates at the bottom?
I'm not sure. It looks like
What's
it.
written at the bottom?
Looks
Mr.
like it to
Jackson?
me.
Okay, what's written at the bottom?
On the first track, it says 2-191.
Okay.
Continue.
Yes, please, Mr.
Second
Jackson.
track, 2-191. Third track, 2-191. And it looks like I can't make this one out. Looks like it's an Xerox problem. What is it? I can't make it out.
Does it appear to be 2-1, Mr. Jackson, in the fourth track?
Yeah, but what's the year? Yeah, it looks like it to me.
Okay, and then the fifth track, is it also 2-1?
Looks like that.
And in the sixth track, is it also 2-1?
Yes.
So vocals. So, Mr. Jackson, did anyone else perform any vocals that appear on your Dangerous song, on your album Dangerous?
No.
You're the only one who recorded vocals, is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Did you write the lyrics to Dangerous, or did anyone assist in that process?
No, I wrote all the lyrics.
Okay, if you please refer to Plaintiff's Exhibit 97. Do you recognize this document, Mr. Jackson?
Copyright registration. I haven't seen it. I don't
Did you
think
see it during your deposition, Mr. Jackson?
I could have. I don't remember.